Imposter scams are on the rise. Cybercriminals are pretending to be someone or something they are not, deceiving victims into providing money or sensitive information. Let's learn how to identify these scams and protect ourselves. Imposter scams, how to identify and avoid them. Imposter scams are the foundation of many fake social media accounts, phishing emails, phone calls, and fake websites. The goal? To get you to pay money, provide personal information, or click malicious links. The most commonly reported imposter scams involve scammers posing as government officials. These scams are successful because people rarely question authority figures. Scammers may also pose as banks, technology companies, or even relatives. They mix their fake persona with an intriguing storyline to lure in victims. Watch for these warning signs: a sense of urgency, threatening language, and unusual payment methods. Scammers often request payments via wire transfer, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. Scammers use advanced tactics, including researching their targets and using AI to clone voices or create deepfake videos. Imagine receiving a call from a relative, but it's actually a scammer using their voice. Imposter scams will continue, but awareness is your best defense. If you suspect an imposter attempt, slow down, hang up, and verify the message. Remember, always take your time to research and stay cautious.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.